See these blooms here? It's a big heart one. Some little star ones here. These blooms hold a story. Like all blooms hold a story. You can buy a bloom for someone's birthday, for someone's anniversary, for a newborn baby, for a party. Each balloon holds a story, and I think Vince would agree with me on this. I know he's let balloons off for relatives that have passed, so you can let a helium balloon off, and that balloon holds a story of its own. It's sending a memory, it's sending a bit of love, like these balloons do, like these balloons have. These balloons have a story, and the story of these balloons are, we need a second little car. Well, really, the wife needed a little car. She likes KAs, so it's quite hard to find a decent one in our price range. So I searched, she didn't know nothing about this. I searched, I managed to get hold of one in decent condition at a decent price. And I tied these balloons to it. I'll put a little clip up at the end. It's filmed vertical, it weren't never meant to go on like a YouTube video. It was filmed vertical, the daughter filmed it, I believe. But I put that little clip up, and it just shows the story and the memories that balloons can bring. These balloons have got a story, and I think most balloons have a story of their own. This is my little tribute to the humble helium or air-filled balloon. The story of the humble balloon. They come in all shapes and sizes. They can be used as magic tricks. When you blow and you make dogs and poodles and all that. Them little balloons hold a little story as well. They've made someone smile. They've made someone think, I've got a little poodle made out of a balloon. That balloon's got his own little story. There's no balloon that does not have a story. And this was just a quick story of these balloons. This one is quite large. This one's quite large, to be honest. And look, just behind, there's us on our wedding day. It's in black and white because it was so long ago. They weren't coloured canvas. The humble balloon. This is my story of these balloons. Enjoy this little clip. Buy someone a balloon. Give that balloon a story.
Is that mine? Is that mine? Oh, is that mine? Oh, is that for me? Oh my god! Is that mine? Is that for me? It's gone. It's Betsy 2.0.